If we want to download new apps on POCO F7 Pro, then we can use the Play Store. This is an app that is pre-installed on this device, and you should be able to find it, for example, in the app drawer. Of course, we need to have a Google account in order to be able to use it, but it is actually pretty simple to do so. You will be also notified about it when you open the app if you don't have the Google account. And after that, we can simply start searching for apps that we want to have. So if you want to find some cool apps, then of course you can just scroll through this list in order to try to find something interesting. You can also go to categories at the top in order to find something more specific. And if you know what kind of app you are looking for, if you know what you want to download, then of course we can go to search at the bottom, then tap over here on this search field, and we can enter the name of the app that we are looking for. And you should be able to find your app and just simply press install in order to just simply download the app. You might need to enter the password once or use your biometrics in order to proceed if you do this for the first time. And that's all. Once it is downloaded, you should be able to open the app immediately, or you can just find it in the app drawer and most likely also in the home screen. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!